Hi guys, my name is Laureate. I'm a design engineer, and this video is about SolidWorks computer-aided design. So today we're going to learn how to dimension in SolidWorks. Okay, so let's start by making a sketch. Choose a plane, sketch of this. So here you can see two numbers, 74.38 and 180 degrees. Obviously, 180 degrees is the angle, and then 74.38 is the distance that that line covers. Okay, we have everything in millimeters here, so that means that 74.8 we saw was in millimeters. Okay, so now stretching it further, we have 87 millimeters. As we want to have 80 millimeters, we'd have to drag it backwards to try and reach 80. But you see, this is the closest we have so far to 80, so we click that. And then say our figure ends this way. We want this length to be 50. Okay, so we try and drag it to get 50. All right, so that's where we end. But you see, this instead of being 80 was 80.01, I believe, and this was about 50. But we can have exactly 80 or we can have exactly 50. How do we achieve that? By using the smart dimension. So when I click this, I can specify the exact dimension I need, 80. Great. And then I click this and I can specify the exact I need, which is 50. What you need to remember about this application is that it has to still be within the sketch. So as you can see, I have not clicked OK to indicate I was done with the sketch before dimensioning. Okay, hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video.